Transforming a messy kitchen. This is a bee's kitchen, so we need to make sure that things are really visual. We are not spending money on this space. I want to show you what just cleaning and organizing can do for your home. The biggest goal for this kitchen is taking advantage of the valuable real estate. She's a slight Heidi hoarder. She just has a lot of crap. But she's not using her actual important cabinets properly. So she has a drawer for things, and some of those things are also in cabinets. It's very chaotic and disorganized, and it's making her life harder. We're pulling it all out, we're sorting, and we're purging. So the first thing we're going to do is do a big purge. It's gonna be fine, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be so good. We're gonna use one box for donate, but I know that pulling things from her kitchen is like ripping her from her cold, dead hands. So we're also going to do a time capsule, which means we're going to have a box for things that she doesn't really want to get rid of, but she knows that she's not using it all the time. We're gonna pack it up, not get rid of it, but let her experience what it's like to live and work in a clutter-free kitchen. So we're relocating the cereal out of that really important cabinet and putting it in the pantry, so I'm moving around some shelving to make room for it. There's chips for days. We're finding spots for the chips. We're just making every cabinet more functional. Okay, and this. We are relocating the bread, so we're gonna make this pretty, because you know how I like pretty, and bread isn't pretty. So this family has an obnoxious amount of glasses. This all came from one cabinet, so we are going to purge this down. So knives on the wall, while it's very bee, it's also like a little murdery. It's a little cabin in the woods-esque. So we are actually getting rid of these, and we're using the knife block, which is still visual for the bee, but less stabby McStabber face. So because there's no spot to put like a spoon or anything, I made this really quick shelf that we're actually just going to put right here. Oh, so she can put a spoon holder and things up there as she's cooking. So it's practical for her bee self. So I got these bulletin boards from Dollarama at the dollar store. They were a great price, and they're perfect for bees like Jess to pin the kids' artwork, her calendars, important memos, instead of the front of the fridge.
The homeowner had some projects like this gallery wall and homemade curtains that she was procrastinating on, so we took a few minutes and just got it done. So in just a few hours, we purged and organized this kitchen and made it super functional. The homeowner had lots of collectibles and things that they love, but you couldn't see it because of all the clutter. Now that we've decluttered, taken things out, they can really showcase the things that they love and cherish in this kitchen.
Hey guys, thanks so much for the those of you who have stayed to the end, I wanted to introduce you to the newest member of our family. This is Dany, short for Daenerys Targaryen. It's Abby's. Abby wanted a bearded dragon, has been nagging and begging for a bearded dragon for the last 7 months relentlessly. And Joe and I were like, heck no. She broke us down. And it turns out she's terrified of bearded dragons. But she's so cute. She also wants to eat me. So I am slightly terrified of her, even though she's so little. Anyways, wanted to introduce you. I'll keep you posted with the hand taming process. I'll see you guys next time.